Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be cutting a blunt bob haircut. Cut with technical precision, step by step. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tips and tricks on how to master the classic blunt bob haircut. Before we start, let me know in the comments, do you prefer a bob with a strong heavy line or something a little softer? We'll begin by zoning the haircut. I'm sectioning through her natural parting, taking it up to the crown and then down to the mastoid process on both sides. Why this zoning? It allows us to work from the front into the back with complete control of the length in the face frame, so we can maintain balance as we move around the head. Now let's establish our guide. Each section will mirror the width of the comb. I'm using the hair length from the fringe zone to determine where this bob will sit. I map out the fringe zone, take clean horizontal section through the side and comb thoroughly so the hair is evenly distributed from roots to ends. Notice how I use my comb from underneath the section, including the fringe zone length. With minimal tension, I angle my cut slightly back from the face and make my first cut, placing the line exactly where the client had requested. Then I complete the section, cutting back towards the face. Here's why that matters. Because of the hair density in my section and the minimal tension I used, I don't need to tap over or under the air. This elevated approach avoids gaps and holes and keeps the line strong. The zoning to the mastoid process also helps with this process. Next, let's talk about maintaining weight. If you want a strong heavy line in your bob, here's the trick. Elevate your client's head to the side as you cut. Why? Tilting the head automatically increases the length over the previous section, which builds weight while avoiding graduation in the line. You'll notice I'm only using my comb and scissors to cut the line. Choosing one consistent approach throughout the haircut maintains balance and reduces the amount of refining needed later. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. With very low tension, you can comb through your section and place it between your fingers and dust off any excess hair or graduation. It's really important to have even hair hydration. Use the same tension to sit in front of each section before cutting to maintain perfect balance throughout your haircut. With the last section, it's important to change the client's body position and place her head facing 90 degrees to the ceiling. As I reach the final section, I place the hair with no tension and gently dust over the line. Cutting the last section with no tension ensures it sits perfectly, creating that crisp, blunt edge. In the next chapter, we're going to repeat the same process. However, I'm going to provide all my tips and tricks and recaps. So stay tuned or skip to the following chapter. Repeating on the opposite side. We repeat the exact process on the opposite side. And here's a little challenge for you. I use 3 different methods of tension here: through the comb, no comb, and in between the fingers. But there's one more method I didn't use. If you know what it is, drop the answer in the comments below. Let's recap. We zoned from the crown to the mastoid process to push weight into the side zones, helping to maintain fullness over the air and avoiding any holes or gaps. We cut from the front into the back to maintain the client's desired length, while also creating 2 clear guides in the back zone. Each section is cut in natural fall with no tension. This keeps the haircut balanced and allows us to work with the hair's natural texture. It's also important to sit eye level in front of each section to ensure accuracy and consistency. If you found these tips and tricks helpful, give this video a like so I know you found it useful. Now let's move into the back zone. You'll now clearly see the 2 guides we have to work with from both sides. Depending on the hair density, I'll take horizontal sections through the top of the nape. If the hair is thick, I'll take sections no wider than my comb. Your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. I'm using 7-inch scissors here, designed for bigger sections with 0 tension. I use my guides from each side and cut towards the center on both sides. Each section is combed into natural fall, following the head shape before being cut. This keeps the line strong and balanced. It's important to visually and physically check your balance as you work. The mirror will tell you if your line is sitting evenly. And that's how to cut a blunt line bob with advanced zoning patterns and weight control techniques designed to help you work faster and with precision on the salon floor. If you'd like to take this haircut further, become a channel member and unlock my tutorials on flat wrapping, flat ironing, refining blunt lines, and modern styling for this haircut, like beach waves that finish this cut perfectly. And if you want to keep learning now, check out my playlist, all on the bob haircut, from layered bobs, razor cut bobs, precision bobs, and bobs with bangs. I'll link it right here on the screen.